Hello and welcome to this video. I will share with you how to set up your SMTP in Brevo to send email or some emails. To set up your SMTP, go to your profile icon, go to this section. As you can see here, this is your profile. Go to the setting. You will redirect it to setting page. In the setting page, go to SMTP. As you can see here, click generate SMTP key. From here, choose your key. As you can see, for example, test, click generate. You will get this IPA key and then click OK. And then from here, you will see all details. Log in your SMTP, such your SMTP server. As you can see, this is for SMTP server. Your port here, 587. This is the port, and this is the login. You can log in directly to your SMTP, and then you can activate SMTP key, this one, and then click activate. As you can see here, IP address was blocked here. From here, you can activate your SMTP. In this case, was my active here. Then you can start sending emails. So basically, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video.